How you doing, folks? G here from SB Reviews and Tools, and I want to send out this message. I just made a screwdriver from the Skull Crafters Challenge of making a screwdriver, and you probably saw it earlier. I got a three-tone stained handle from light to the dark. But what I want to say is I want to thank Skull Crafter for doing this. It was fun. It was enjoyable. Got us to use our brain a little bit more than we normally do during the day. And it was enjoyable watching the other guys build theirs, or gals build their screwdrivers. Very nice. So I thank you, Skull Crafter. Have a good day. Ciao.